Hello, welcome to Crew Audi. Today we have the Audi A5 Sportback Black Edition finished in Navarra Blue. The car has the LED headlights with the daytime running LEDs, with the front and rear parking sensors, and as we move around to the side of the vehicle we have the 19-inch Audi Sport 5-arm Rotor Alloy Wheels, high gloss black styling on the surrounds of the windows with the privacy glass for the B-pillar backwards, LED backlights with the dynamic sweep indicators with a full electronic power tailgate with the reverse camera. Now this is a brand new Audi vehicle, so you will get the 3 years warranty and 3 years roadside assistance. Moving to the front of the vehicle, the car has the electronic folding exterior mirrors with the piano gloss black inlays, S-Line front sports seats with the S-Line embossed logo in the leather with the Alcantara suede inserts, automatic headlights and wipers with a flat bottom multifunctional perforated leather steering wheel with cruise control, Audi's MMI display with navigation with a reverse camera, 3-zone digital climate control, front heated seats, and a 7-speed S-Tronic Automatic gearbox with the Bang Olufsen sound system. Now if you'd like any more information on this Audi A5, if you'd like to contact us here at Crew Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.